Hi guys, it's Vanessa. We will draw and coloring some pictures. Today, we're gonna draw a baby Iron Man. Before we start it, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button right now because it's free. Let's subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification. Now, we have to prepare the oil pastels. First, draw a circle as his head. Draw some details in his helm or mask. Draw the glasses for his eyes. Some detail to his mouth. Now, draw the body of Iron Man. Iron Man using an armor which is so powerful. Then, draw his hand. He uses a very strong gloves. And draw his two great legs. His armor is protecting him head to toe. So cool! It's coloring time. It's yellow. Give yellow to his head and face. It's only some part of his head that we color. Some part of his body too. It's gray. We give gray to his eyes, his hand, his unibeam on his chest. It's red. Let's give red to his head. The white space of his head, we make it red. On his hand, on his gloves, and on a part of his body. And you have to use red also on his legs. Make it clear from some oil pastels. Now, you can use a pencil to thicken the lines, all of the line. Look, he is so cool. Guys, go tell your mom that Iron Man is cool. He has so many power to keep the universe alive.
The Muffin Man, do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Ask your mom to tell you more. This picture is made by Vanessadaycare. Ta-da! It's finished! Goodbye! See you again!